...2022 was a bountiful year for the agriculture and fisheries sectors in Jamaica. So as we look back at the past year, here are the top 3 ways that my ministry, the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, supported growth in 2022. The first order of business in 2022 was to increase food production as we worked to rebuild and to improve the twin sectors, and also, very importantly, to help this nation recover from the COVID-19 pandemic.
This is the Grow Smart, Eat Smart logo. Put your hands together. This will be a symbol of Jamaica's agricultural industry.
Keeping the goal of sustainable food production in mind, a total of $50 million was invested in the supply of organically generated material.
The NFA allocated $15 million, which helped us with the exploration in our pelagic fisheries program, to develop an oyster program and sea moss program. Another big win for Jamaica was the increase in supply and the improvements in farm equipment and inputs to help boost production capacity. These tractors will be used to pull farm implements and to establish seed production plots for hot peppers, pumpkins, sorrel, and other crops. ...2022 saw improved accessibility to lands for youth and women, and also the continuation of the largest investment in the upgrading of our irrigation systems in major farming communities in our country.
I feel excited to be one of the recipients. I feel that it will help me in the future because my goal is to achieve from agriculture.
2023 is going to be a busy year. We're going to continue to really drive the comprehensive strategy that we have to tackle predatory larceny. Secondly, I'd say that we are going to continue our incentive program with farmers, giving them the support they need. Thirdly, I would say that we are going to really push out the Grow Smart, Eat Smart strategy.